In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use blend data in Looker Studio. Blending data lets you combine fields from different sources like analytics, ads, or spreadsheets, so you can analyze everything in one place. It's perfect when you want a single chart to show metrics side by side, provided the sources share a common dimension such as date, campaign, or page. Start by heading to the Looker Studio home area where your reports live. Open the report you want to work with. If it opens in view mode, switch to edit so you can make changes. Edit mode gives you access to the full toolbar and the data panel, which is where blending lives. Once you're in edit mode, look for the blend option in the interface. Choose it to begin creating a new combination of sources. Then select Add a Blend. This opens the blend editor, a workspace where you define exactly which fields you want to use and how they should align. In the blend editor, you'll see available fields from your connected data sources. These are all the dimensions and metrics Looker Studio knows about. Add the fields you want to include. Keep in mind that dimensions are descriptive fields like date, campaign, country, or page, and metrics are numeric fields like sessions, clicks, or revenue. For a successful blend, you'll need at least one common dimension across the sources to act as the key that lines up your data. Next, click a field and drag it into the dimensions or metrics section, depending on what it represents. Place your common key, such as date or campaign, in dimensions. Then drag your numeric values like spend or conversions into metrics. Looker Studio will align rows using the shared dimension, typically with a left outer join, so fields match correctly. If a field doesn't appear to match, check that the data types are the same across sources and that the values use the same formatting. If you want to narrow the results, you can add a filter within the blend. Filters help include or exclude rows, for example, to focus on a specific campaign group or a subset of pages. Keep filters consistent with your report's date controls and segments so the numbers stay aligned across charts. When you're satisfied with your setup, click Save. Give the blend a clear name so you can find it easily later. Your blended data will now be available alongside your other sources, ready to use in charts and scorecards throughout the report. That's all it takes to blend data in Looker Studio: clean keys, the right fields, a useful filter, and a quick save.